Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok app. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok app, you should just go to settings. Here we'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Then this list of app, and for you we click on first stop. Here we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. When you will end this, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. We'll wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.